Hello, fifth graders, our last day of this week, and we are going to continue with our work with Latin roots. So our objective today is I can read, review, and practice Latin roots. Right, and we'll be working out of my Word Study book, so go ahead and grab that. And we're on page 43. All right, so the first step today is you will circle 5 words with the Latin roots: spec, leader, vent, or struct. Okay, and then we're going to read this story with someone else today. Okay, you and your partner are going to decide if you switch off each paragraph, or if one of you reads the story and then the next person reads it. And then you're going to talk about, in general, what is the story about? And use details from the text to support your answer. Okay, so this is a trick. This is a sign of a really good reader and thinker, is when you say something about the story, you can back it up with proof from what you read. Okay, so with your partner today, I want you to challenge each other. Okay, if your partner says something, ask them, how do they know that? Okay, so we're really working on using evidence from the text to support our answers today. All right, enjoy the story.